All right. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, everyone. We are all welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. This is a channel dedicated for Jamb/University Aspirants. Okay. What we'll do in this channel is that we'll teach you guys tips and tricks on how to pass Jamb. Okay. Not only that, we also assist you guys gain admission. Also assist you guys write Jamb. All right. So today we are going to talk about the topic we have today, because I don't want to waste much of our time today. So the topic of today is how to avoid failing Jamb the second time. Right? That's our topic for today. If you are a first Jamb timer, you will not relate to this topic I'm talking about. But if you have written Jamb like first time, second time, at least you understand what I mean by how to avoid failing Jamb the second time. All right. But if this is your first time of writing Jamb, this is your very first time, I don't think you will actually understand what I mean by how to avoid failing Jamb the second time. Because when it comes like this, some person will be like, those people that have not written before, those people that this is their first time writing, this is their very first sitting, they'll be like, can person actually write Jamb the second time? What is so hard about Jamb? What is there that is it not something you can just close eye and score 295 or score 320? So what is there? What's so special about Jamb that people will write two times, three times? So we are going to talk about it today. All right. So if this is your first time of coming to this channel, I advise you, I also encourage you to hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, or if you have anything you want to ask me on the comment section, you can let me know in the comment section below. All right, and I'll be right there to answer all of your questions. Okay, so that's the only way you can become our member. And once you are a member, I promise you are not going to be missed out with anything that concerns your Jamb and your admission. All right, so let's dive into the video. So the topic remains how to avoid failing Jamb the second time. As you all know that so many persons write Jamb 2, 3, 4, 5 times, 6 times. Right? People write Jamb 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And more they I don't know how I would just put it. Like some persons would like, just like one girl, a lady came to my office the other day. She said she wrote Jamb. She wrote Jamb. Her first score was 195. That was her first score. She scored 195. So she knew that she didn't actually do very well, because she was aspiring for medicine and surgery. So she didn't actually do well. So she was hoping to do better the next coming year. Then she was so shocked when she checked her result the next coming year. She scored 170. You see, that's why so many persons say the higher you write, the lower you score. The higher you write, the lower you score. Understand? But I just want to tell you guys all about those things today. First of all, I want to tell you why you will fail Jamb. Why you write, I want to tell you why you will score 250 in this year Jamb. They're hoping to score 300 next year Jamb. At the end of the day, you score 190 or 200 in the current Jamb. All right. So the reason why all those things happen is simply because you have written the exam before. You understand? At first, you have written the exam before, you'll be like, is it not just Jamb? It's Jamb now. Even maybe that by that time, maybe you were not really prepared and you scored 250. You were not really prepared, though. You were not really actually reading and you scored 250. You understand? So at that particular time, you'll be having this mindset that I didn't prepare, I just scored 250. So what of next year? No, and I have not even had experience before and I scored 250. So what of next year? Next year at least I have had the experience, and if I reach small thing, that means I will score 400 now, or I'll score 399. You see? So that's the reason why so many persons fail. So because as a result of that, now they will feel reluctant about the exam. Some of them will go as far as studying some days, like 2-3 days to exam, 4 days to exam, 1 week to exam. You understand? So that's the reason why so many persons fail. So because you wrote Jamb 200 and you scored 200 before, does not mean that you should feel reluctant about the forthcoming one. Alright, so if you want to write and do well about the coming, this one this one will not serve as a guideline to you, because you have had experience before. You understand? You now know how the exam is, how the time regulates, and every other thing about the exam. So that's where you put more effort to study. Alright, you will study, tackle those topics, those areas you are having challenges on. You tackle those ones then very well. You know how to use your time, because so many persons also encounter challenges of time. They will end up studying, writing English language for about 1 hour 30 minutes, and you have 30 minutes left. You start running helter scatter. You understand? So that's the reason why you see yourself scoring. It's not, some person will say that Jamb uses all those native verbal juju and all of that. No, it's not like that. You guys paid for that, and every money you paid is equal. They didn't say this person should pay 2,000, this person should pay 3,000. Everybody paid equal, and they treat everybody equal. Alright, whatever you score is whatever they are going to give you. It is not as if some persons will say they sold my result. Sold your result to who? Alright, so that's how you do. Because you wrote Jamb and you scored 200 or 250 the first time, does not mean, that's not a guarantee that you will score 400 the next time. Are you following me? It's not a guarantee that you will score 400 the next time you are writing Jamb. So if you want to make sure you score that 400, score that 390, or score 380, 375, 365, 350, 320, 330, anything you want to score, any higher score, 295, any higher score you want to score, the only way is for you to use the previous one as a kind of guideline. Let it just map out as a guideline to you, so you know that you have written the Jamb before and you have had the experience before. So let me just use that experience, add up to the ones. Know those areas you are lacking. Check your Jamb result. Know those areas you didn't do well. If it's in physics, if it's mathematics, if it's English, if it's anywhere you know that you didn't do well, tackle those ones then very well. So when you sit for the second one, you see yourself, that's the more reason Jamb introduced mock. It's obvious that so many of us don't know the reason why Jamb introduced mock, because some persons felt that, or they think that Jamb, if you write mock, they are going to add your score to Jamb to boost your Jamb score. No, it's not like that. Mock is just like a test running, so you know how the exam interface looks like, how the exam looks like, and all of that. You understand? So that's how it is. Are you following me? I love you guys so much. So that's why I'm trying to make sure that I'll give you guys every details you want concerning your Jamb, so that so that you will stand out. Alright, you're not going to fail, you will stand out. Remember, we are Brainybite, we don't fail. Okay? We always keep winning. As long as you're among our community, you will never fail. Alright? We'll continue to win and win and win and win. Are you with me? We'll win and win and win. So that's the reason why so many persons score 200, some score 400. So that's the most reason. So the reason now is that they will feel reluctant that they have written the exam before. It's just like the normal Jamb they know. So when they will not even read. Some will go like as far as waiting for 2 days for the exam before they read. Then when they get there, of course Jamb is smarter than them. Jamb is smarter than them, of course. They know that. You see them waiting for another Jamb next year. Alright? So that's the only way out. Okay? So if you are one of our candidates, if you are one of our community, if you are among the people sitting for this forthcoming Jamb exam, so I would advise you to subscribe to this channel. Alright? Once you subscribe to this channel, follow our tutorials on YouTube. Alright? So we also have a WhatsApp community where you can join our students there. Also, you learn from them. Learn from the people that are ahead of you. You learn from them also. There, you're not going to miss out with any information. anything that concerns your examination. All right. So if you want us to assist you too in this forthcoming Jamb UTME examination, you want us to assist you, what you do, you check on this, you check anywhere around my video, or you request for me to send you my phone number. I will do that. Then you message me on WhatsApp. Once you message me on WhatsApp, I will respond to you. All right. So you will send me your details on WhatsApp. I will tell you the details you send. Then later on, I'll add you to our platform. All right. So we are going to assist you. You will read. That we are going to assist you does not mean that you will not read. Are you following me? Understand me very well. That we are going to assist you does not mean that you sit and fold your hands and watch us assisting you. No, you will read. When you read, we will assist you. Your reading plus our assistant is equal to 300 scores and above. Right. So if that's exactly what you want to achieve, let me know in the comment section. If that's exactly what you want to achieve, let me know in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Once again, this is Brainybite tutorial. We don't fail, we always keep winning. All right. So subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notifications. That whenever I drop any amazing video, just like the one you watch now, YouTube will notify you. All right. You like this video, you share with some of your friends. Okay. So until I see you again in my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Keep winning.